नमस्ते दोस्तों। म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर एग्जामिनेशन जो NISM कंडक्ट करते हैं उसके सिलेबस का चैप्टर 5 के बारे में हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे। चैप्टर का नाम है म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम्स रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन। तो शुरू करते हैं। एज यूजुअल वी विल स्टार्ट विथ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। क्वेश्चन 1, which document provides complete details about a mutual fund scheme including objectives, risks and fees? A. Key information memorandum. B. Scheme information document. C. Statement of additional information. D. Offer for sale document. And the answer is scheme information document. It contains all about the particular scheme which is launched. Say objectives क्या है, risk क्या है, fees क्या है, TER क्या है, etc. The scheme information document, that is SID, is the main offer document providing full details of the mutual fund scheme, including investment objectives, strategy and associated risk. कितना risk है इसमें? Question 2. The key information memorandum KIM must be provided to. Option A. Only institutional investors. B. All investors before subscription. C. SEBI only. D. Trustees only. And answer is all investors before subscription. इसको एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म के साथ लगाते हैं और सभी को इन्वेस्टर्स को देते हैं so that they know all about the scheme. As per SEBI regulations, every investor must be given access to KIM before making an investment decision. Question 3. The KIM is considered a option A. Supplementary document to SID, marketing brochure. C. Private offer letter. D. Trustee report. And it is considered as a supplementary document to SID, that is scheme information documents का supplementary document. KIM is a summary of the scheme information document designed to give investors key highlights for quick understanding. Question 4. The statement of additional information SAI contains A. Scheme performance. B. Information about AMC trustees and sponsors. C. NAV details. D. Taxation on dividends. And the answer is information about AMC trustee and sponsor. जो पहले हमने देखा था SID स्कीम इंफॉर्मेशन डॉक्यूमेंट, उसमें पूरा स्कीम रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन रहता था, और ये जो SAI है, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन, इट गिव्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द AMC ट्रस्टी, स्पॉन्सर एटसेट्रा. The SAI provides statutory details about the mutual fund's constitution, management and regulatory information. Question number 5. An investor wants to know about the entry and exit load. This information will be found in A. SAI, B. SID, C. Annual report, D. AMC website only. The answer is SID, Scheme Information Document. जो information investor जानना चाहता है वो पूरा scheme related है, so it will be found in Scheme Information SID. The SID discloses loads, expenses and exit penalties applicable to the scheme as per SEBI disclosure norms. Question number 6. The validity of SID is up to A. 6 months from the SEBI approval, B. 1 year from SEBI approval, C. Until the scheme is open, D. 3 years from approval. It is 1 year from the SEBI approval. Explanation is, once SEBI approves SID, it is valid for 1 year unless the scheme is launched within that period. Question number 7. The riskometer in key information memorandum indicates A. Market volatility, B. Scheme's risk level, C. Fund managers ratings, D. NAV trend. And the answer is scheme's risk level. स्कीम में कितनी रिस्क है स्कीम में वो ये बताते हैं. The riskometer classifies a scheme's risk profile into categories such as low, moderate, very high as per SEBI standard format. Question number 8. Before launching a new scheme, the AMC must options A. Informs MP only, B. Publish advertisement in newspaper, C. Obtain SEBI approval for the offer document, D. Launch directly. And replies obtain SEBI approval for the offer document. No mutual fund scheme can be launched without SEBI's prior approval of the draft offer document. Question number 9. A distributor must explain the contents of the scheme to investors under which regulation? MP Code of Conduct, PMLA, PHATCA, SID Clause 3. And the answer is MP Code of Conduct. It is distributor's duty है कि जब जब इन्वेस्टर एनएफओ में लगाना चाहता है या लेना चाहता है तो उसको की इंफॉर्मेशन मेमोरेंडम में का डिटेल्स जो है इन्वेस्टर्स को अच्छी तरह से समझाएगा, एक्सप्लेन करेगा. The MP code mandates the distributor must disclose scheme details and ensure investors' understanding before sale. Question 10. An investor wants to know the fund's benchmark index. This will be available in SID, KIM, both SID and KIMs, SAI only. This will be available in both SID and KIM. Both SID and KIM disclose the benchmark index against which the fund's performance will be compared. Question 11. If an investor wishes to compare total expenses across schemes, the relevant section in KIM is scheme benchmark, load structure, expense ratio, or portfolio holding. And the answer is expense ratio. The KIM mentions the scheme's total expense ratio, helping investors compare costs between funds. Question number 12. Which document provides information about investors' rights and obligations? KIM, SAI, SID, SEBI annual report. SAI. Statement of additional information include detailed investors' rights, grievances, redressal mechanism, and obligations. Question number 13. A scheme's investment objective reads to generate long-term capital appreciation from a diversified equity portfolio. What type of scheme is this likely to be? A. Liquid fund, equity fund, yield fund, arbitrage fund. And answer is equity fund. To generate long-term capital appreciation, equity funds are the best because equities perform best during long term. This is an experience of the market. Such an objective focuses on long-term growth through equity investments, typical of equity mutual fund scheme. Question number 14. The draft offer document must be filed with SEBI through. Options are A. AMC, B. Trustees, C. Sponsor, D. Custodian. And the answer is trustees. Trustees are the main through which these things are to be done. Trustees file draft offer document with SEBI for approval before launch, ensuring compliance with regulations. Question number 15. If an investor wants to know where to file complaints, this information can be found in A. SID and SAI, KIM only, annual report, distributor brochure. Regarding grievances and it will be found in scheme. It's a scheme information document as well as SAI. Both SID and SAI provide details on investor grievance handling and escalation procedures. Question number 16. What does the continuous offer for unit clause in the SID indicate? The scheme is open-ended, the scheme is close-ended, the scheme is listed on stock exchange, it's an ETF. And the answer is scheme is open-ended. Continuous offer means investors can buy or redeem units at any time, which is the key feature of open-ended scheme. Question number 17. If a scheme invests 80% in corporate bonds and 20% in equities, it is a category. Its category would be balanced advantage fund, equity fund, debt-oriented hybrid fund, liquid fund. And the answer is debt-oriented hybrid fund. Hybrid because it invests both in equities and bonds. As per SEBI classification, such a scheme is debt-oriented hybrid since the majority of investments is in debt instruments. Question number 18. The load structure in SID specifies A. Fund manager salary, B. Brokerage paid to distributors, C. Entry and exit charges to investors, D. Taxes on capital gains. Answer is entry and exit charges to investors. Load structure details any entry or exit loads that may be applicable to investors when investing or redeeming units. Question number 19. An investor who wants to verify whether a scheme is open-ended or close-ended, he should refer to A. SAI, B. KIM, C. SID, D. AMC advertisement. And the answer is SID. The SID clearly specifies the type of scheme, open-ended or close-ended or interval fund, under its type of scheme section. Question number 20. The minimum subscription amount for a scheme is disclosed in A. KIM, B. SID, C. Both SID and KIM, D. SAI. And the answer is both SID and KIM. Both documents means SID and KIM provide the minimum investment or SIP amount required for investors to participate in the scheme. Question number 21. Who approved changes in the scheme features like investment objectives or fees? A. AMC board, B. Trustees and SEBI, C. MP, D. Custodian. And the answer is B. Trustees and SEBI. Any material change in scheme features must be approved by trustees and SEBI and communicated to all investors. Question number 22. An investor can obtain soft copies of the SID and KIM from A. AMC website, B. SEBI website, C. Distributors portal, D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. AMC's distributors and SEBI websites provide access to the scheme documents for transparency and investor awareness. Question number 23. Under SEBI guidelines, the scheme must include historical performance data for A. Minimum 6 months, B. 1 year, C. 3 years, D. 5 years. Answer is 3 years. Scheme must disclose 3 years performance data of the scheme and benchmark to help investors evaluate track record. Question number 24. The term offer period refers to A. Time during which investors can apply for units in the new fund offer. B. Redemption period of the fund. C. Annual closing period. D. AMC audit cycle. The answer is A. The offer period refers to the time during which investors can apply for units in a new fund offer. The offer period is a window during which a new fund offer (NFO) remains open for public subscription. Question number 25. What must the SID disclose about fund managers? A. Professional qualification and experience. B. Their investment in the scheme. C. Fund management experience. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. SEBI mandates that the SID, that is Scheme Information Document, must disclose fund managers' qualifications, experience, and their personal investments in the scheme. With this, we have completed chapter number 5. So again request you, if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to our channel and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.